So suppose that the number of web hits to a particular site are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 100 hits per day and a standard deviation of 10 hits per day. So the same numbers as earlier. And what number of web hits represents the number of days so that only 5% of the days have more web hits? Here's our normal distribution, 100. We want the point such that the area above it is 5%. Now, we could revert everything back to the standard normal, but again, we can just use R for these questions. So we want to do Q norm 0.95. Now that's a subtle point. Remember, Q norm is always specified in terms of the probability of the quantile and below. So just to remind ourselves, here we wanted the point here so that 5% lied above, but that would mean 95% lied below. Okay, so just remember that when you're dealing with Q norm. So we want Q norm 0.95, and if we hit return, it's going to give us the standard normal quantile that we remember, 1.64. So we know that that quantile is 1.64 standard deviations away from the mean. So we could, we could pretty easily just do that, right? 100 plus 1.644845, let's just give it the whole thing, times 10, so that's 116.44. That's the answer, but let's actually just do it how we would do it without doing that calculation. So we would want Q norm 0.95, and then we'd want to just tell it that the mean is 100 and the standard deviation is 10. And then you can see it gives the same number. Okay, so 116.4485, and it says give it to 3 decimal places. So that would be 116.449. 116.449, and I'm going to click submit, and there you go. I think the tolerance is actually a little bit more forgiving than what I specify in the question.